Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, May 29th. Hope you all are doing well, that you had a lovely Memorial Day weekend. The weather was not great here. Monday was okay, but the rest of the weekend was not great, but we did get our planting done and just, whatever, stuff around the house. So I did not get that much this week, but I do have some fun things to show you, a few crafty updates and that sort of thing. So let's get on with the show. All right, so first I found one of the strawberry shortcake candles at Dollar Tree, and I think I saw Alyssa at Crafting a Cope. I think it was Alyssa. She had shown all of them. Hi Alyssa, if you're watching. But I just found the lemon one, which is fine. I love lemon candles, and this one's lemon meringue. It was only $1.25, and it smells so good. It just smells like a regular lemon candle. It doesn't smell like how the lemon meringue doll used to smell, if you remember that, but still it's very nice and super cute. So this will stay in my craft room. I did get this lotion too at Dollar Tree, which was $1.25. It's a dupe for the EOS Vanilla Cashmere lotion, which I use every day. I love that lotion so much. So I thought I would try this for $1.25. It's fine. It smells okay. Not as good as the EOS one, and it's not as moisturizing either, but it's all right. It's fine. So those are the only two things I got from Dollar Tree. I got in my order from Emily Lex Studios. I had told you guys that I got a gift card from there for Mother's Day, so I got 4 different watercolor workbooks. I haven't worked in them yet, but this is the first one, Fruit, and I'll link her website down below in the description box. These are all of the different illustrations that are on the inside for you to practice with. I'll just show you what they look like. Like there's blueberries. The example on the left gives you the color palette, and it's a light sketch on the right with really nice quality paper that you can paint right in your workbook with. These are really fun to use. There are mixing color tutorials, like basics in the front. I believe she also has like free videos on how to watercolor too, which I haven't watched. I probably should. But I am looking forward to doing this one. So I got 4 different workbooks. Fruit. I also got bouquets, which I'd love to like draw floral bouquets. So I thought it'd be nice to learn how to paint them too. So yeah, these looked really, really fun. And that one's just beautiful. I think that'll be really fun to paint. So there's bouquets, and then I got 2 seasonal ones. I got autumn. Oops, dropped something. So cute. I had to get this one because I always call Millie a squirrel. And I just love the fall, love pumpkins and apples and all that kind of stuff. Oh yeah, there's a free painting class right there. So yeah, this will be nice to do once the summer keeps advancing and I'm totally sick of the heat. So it'll be nice to do some fall activities. And then to keep it going, I got winter, and those are all the winter ones. There's also Christmas. There's a new like patriotic one, a few other ones, but I think I'm set with these 4. So I love the blue jay, the little ski chalet, the A-frame house, just super cute. And of course you don't have to use the colors that she suggests. You could change it up if you want. So yeah, I got all 4 of those in. And then I got an order in from Amazon because I think I led you astray last week. I said that I would have a Scrap Diva Designs preview this Friday, but actually that's going to be on Monday, May 31st. So make sure you stop back on Monday. I'll show the June release as well as some examples, and there are some really great dies this month. I know I say that every month, but I'm really, really excited about this month. They'll be available to purchase next Friday on June 5th. But anyway, I bring that up because one of the die sets is like a A5 journal page. So I got some things to go along with that from Amazon. I got this A5 filler paper, and this one, sorry for the crinkling, it looked like it would be nice quality paper, and I want to make a really pretty journal. So yeah, it's thin. It's like filler paper, But it's kind of cream color, if you can see, and it's blank. So I thought that would be nice to have just for like, you know, just jotting down notes or doodling, things like that. I'd like to have no lines or like a dot grid pattern, but this one is just blank. So I got that, and then, and if you notice, these are 8x5, and it has the 6 holes on the side, and that's important for the Scrap Diva Designs release. Okay, I also got this filler paper, which I thought looked super cute. This store had lots of different varieties. This one is called the, it says, oh, that's the brand, Pine Wrap. And this is like the daisy variety. I will link these down below for you. So this comes with like 4 different styles. Is there yeah, okay. So let me show you what's in here. I literally just got this before I came down to do the video. So, okay, so this is, you know, like filler paper weight too. But look at how cute with the bees and the daisies. This is like all daisy related, these papers. So, and there's bows and polka dots. So there's the blue, and it's double-sided too. And then the green looks like this with hearts and daisies, plenty of room to write in. You can write right over the daisies too if you want to. And then the yellow has lines, double-sided of course. And then there's this blue. Wasn't there blue in the front too? Yeah, just a different kind of blue. I guess it's like a darker blue with bees on the bottom and daisies. And then there is the pink with the gingham. So isn't that cute? There's another set that has cherries and, oh, there are just so many cute ones. So yeah, take a look if you want to see. I'm kind of going like planner crazy with these. And then I got 2 clear binders to go with that. So it came with these 2 colors. There's also another combination you can get, which is like green and yellow, I think. Oh, hi, Mel. Look, everyone, it's Millie. Millie, come show your cute little face. Hi, friend. She has to sniff my hand before I touch her, of course. So she's doing so good. I got her like a cat window bed from Aldi yesterday, and I got her like an Aldi cat house too. So she's just such a sweet little girl. She keeps bringing me toys and just hanging out with me all the time. So, and Gus loves her too. So sometimes he's annoyed by her. But anyway, let's go back to this. Let me just open this up. Oh, okay. There's some tape here we got to take off. So the die I was talking about from Erica is for like a page of a A5 planner, or, you know, like a 6-ring binder. Hello. She's smelling that lotion I just put on, I think. Do you like it? Gets Millie's stamp of approval. So, and I've been working on a journal or a planner with that die. Sorry, is this driving you crazy, this noise? Hang on, let me get this off. Okay, sorry. All right, so yeah, I've been working on a journal with the die from Erica, and it makes beautiful planner pages, but I did want to have some pre-made so I didn't have to make every page, you know, die cut. So anyway, I got these to go with that, and they're just like PVC plastic, and then it has the metal rings on the inside and this like loop snap closure. So blue and pink. And then you could put these in here and just close it like that, make a cover. So I can't wait to show you the one that I've been working on. I'll show you that on Monday. But anyway, since I've been on a kick of making things like that, I got some more of the covers. So yeah, I will link all that down below. So that is it for my haul. Like I mentioned, I'll be back Monday with my Scrap Diva Designs preview. I've had a little bit more lead time this month in between when I get the release and when I can show it. So I've been going into more detail for my project. So I can't wait to show you. And I also have a hoo-hoo marker video coming up. I've been practicing that with that sticker, that like ready to color sticker book that I got from Five Below, and I am having so much fun with those markers. It comes with so many of them, and they're fine tip and or, you know, fine brush tip, so you can make it a a wider tip too. But anyway, it comes with 120 different markers that you just have to shake and they work. So it just makes coloring so easy. So I can't wait to show you that too. That will be up soon. And that is it for this week. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you're up to. Let me know what you think about this little mini haul. Again, I can't wait to show you what I've been working on for Scrap Diva Designs. And I know my KS Craft June design team package is coming soon as well. Make sure you check out Hannah's video to see what's in this release if you haven't already. I'll try to remember to link that down below too. Lots of great dies in June. So yeah, lots of great crafty things coming up. And I will be back soon. So have a great weekend, you guys. Have a great day. Enjoy your Friday. If you're drinking coffee with me, cheers, or tea, or whatever you're drinking. I will talk to you guys later. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, have a great day again. Bye.